Good day everyone. Yeah, I just finished my duty. It is already 2:39. Today I work from 6 o'clock and I finished at 2 o'clock. Yeah, we're not busy. Today we just did 98. And now I am hungry. Yeah, actually I was eating in the workplace, but I'm now cravings for rice. So I'm going to cook this extra lean beef stir fry mix, 500 grams, and this is $10. I bought it yesterday, and I also bought this stir fry rainbow vegetable. This one is, I forgot, something $5. Yeah, just that. And yeah, as usual, I'm just going to put it here. What is the knife? Something. Okay. Basically just that. And some salt and pepper. Yeah, that's it. I will adjust the seasoning later. This is how it is now. And I actually need to use the rice cooker again, so yeah, I need to put it already here in the plastic so that I can cook the rice. Yeah, I'm eating now. I actually just woke up. It is already 4:58. So basically, while cooking the rice, I was sleeping. Yo, good day everyone. Yeah, I'm actually here in Wilson. Yeah, look at that. There is that mural, and I have this big box that I am going to send to the Philippines. Yeah, these are some of my old things and some things that I bought. Yeah, just today, like a coffee, a different clothing, T-shirt. Yeah, for my brothers and sisters and my niece and nephew. But most of these are some of my old things. Yeah, like this blanket and this. Actually, just to make it full, and I actually still need to do this. I am doing it today here because if I do it in my apartment, it will be heavy and will be difficult to lift, to put here in the van. And we are here in my apartment. Yeah. So basically there is a 2 room at the second floor, and then there is another 3 downstairs over there. There's one toilet. There's the kitchen. And there is that another 3 rooms and 2 toilet. And this is my room. Yeah, you notice that I already don't have most of my things. Yeah. Actually, this is already empty. Yeah. And I don't know if I'm going to throw this in the bin. Basically, I just need to clean it and then surrender the key to the office. Actually, I can say that it is cleaner this time than when I arrived here before. Yeah. I almost forgot this one. This is coming from Cassie and Droy. And this is the room now. Looks clean. And now I am here in the shower because I am going to clean it. Yeah. It is not very dirty at the moment, but when I actually moved here, it was very dirty. Before, it was all like that, even the sides. Yeah. But because recently there are also other people who just left, and so they are required to clean this. That's why it's looks clean. Yeah, but yeah, I'm going to do my share and I'm going to clean it. Yeah, when I first come here, this is also yellow, moldy, not good, very dirty. And this is actually my second time to take a shower here for 1 year. So basically I'm going to clean it and then I will take a shower and clean inside. Okay, I finally finished everything. I have the box already in the company that is going to bring it to the Philippines. And then I already surrendered the key to the real estate company. They are going to check the room within 7 days. But yeah, I think it's clean. I clean it. And then yeah, I'm going to get the bonds, which is $660. Now I'm hungry. Good afternoon, everyone. Yeah, at the moment we are here in Albura Marina. There's so many people over there. Also the pub, yeah, it's full. Lots of people, they are drinking. Yeah, also some people fishing. Like yeah, there is a group of kids here. They are also fishing. And we are just going to walk around, going to the GT to the other side. Yeah, just to take some picture, video, and most importantly, walking. You know, walking is good, relaxing, like singing. Yeah, singing for me is relaxing. You know, the camera, I cannot just focus to the other side because it's tracking my pace. I don't know if there is the settings, yeah, to take the pace tracking while recording. And you know, this one is actually a police, yeah, maritime police. You can see speedboat, yacht. Yeah, and I am listening to music while walking around here. Yeah, you can hear it. Yeah, I think you can hear it. Yeah, you know. And in case you don't know, I can also ask question like, "Hey Meta, what time is it now?"
It's 6:25 p.m.
Yeah, did you hear that? Let me ask another thing. Hey Meta, where are we at the moment?
We are currently in Nelson Bay, New South Wales, Australia.
I think you can see my ears. Maybe you see my earwax. Yeah, so many questions. So basically like yeah, like Google. Anything you ask to Google, yeah, this is going to answer. Yeah, like hey Meta, what is the biggest planet?
The biggest planet in our solar system is Jupiter.
Yeah, so it's like that. That is how it works. And yeah, we are now here in the area where people fishing. Actually, even in the night, lots of people fishing in here, all the way to the end of the GT. And hide, I wanna hold you till I die. till my break down and cry. I wanna hold you till the fear in me subside. Yeah, fishing boat. Rider, still trapped in my truth. A visions of a strider, still trapped in my youth. And sometimes when we dance, the honesty is too much, and I had to close my eyes and hide. I wanna hold you till I die. Tell me break down and cry. I wanna hold you till the fear in me subside. Whoa, look at the waves. It's like to break you and tie you to your need. At times I'd like to break through and hold you in my sleep, in your sleep. And this one is a marine rescue yacht. Oh, you maybe are wondering where I am staying now. Yeah, because yeah, in the previous months I was actually slowly moving my things to a kind of self-storage, you know. Yeah, but that kind of self-storage, yeah, I can access during the daytime. And at the moment I am considering myself as homeless. Oh, there is kind of event over there. Yeah, that is kind of a fishing event. Yeah, hopefully when I get to the other side later, I am still able to see what is going on over there. Yeah, but if I am not mistaken, yeah, this fishermen, this boat, yeah, they are bringing the carts over there, and they are going to scale it. I mean, they are going to weigh it. Actually, let's go there now. And you know, there is actually one Filipino over there. Yeah, he is a fisherman. He said that they are fishing around here in the area with the yeah, with their boat, with their ship. I don't know, ship or boat. Who has the head of the cormorant? Yeah, just a small head. I don't know, you don't see it, but it's fun to see. Yeah, so basically we had an eye contact, and I greet first. I said, "Good afternoon." I said like that, and then he said, "Kabayan." So in English, he asked me if I am a countryman, a fellow countryman. Yeah, I said yes, kabayan. Yeah, and we had a little chat. Yeah, he asked me if I am a cleaner. I said no, I am a cook. For you, all the impossible I wanna do. I wanna hold you close under the rain. I wanna kiss your smile and feel the pain. I know what's beautiful looking at you. In a world of lies, you are the truth. And baby, every time you touch me, I become a hero. I make you say when you tell me that you love me. Oh, there's actually so many people here. Yeah, over there. And yeah, like what I said, we are going to that side, yeah, to see the weighing of the fish. Yeah, nice. So that is how it is. So basically the fishermen, they come here to, yeah, to weigh I keep on saying, but you understand for sure. Yeah, and they are cheering. Yeah, because the latest one was the biggest. That one actually is the biggest. Very nice. So the last fish, the big one over there is 909. I don't know if it's 909 kg, probably. Yeah, but yeah, that's big. And you know, some of my previous colleague, yeah, by just fishing in the GT area, they are also able to catch, yeah, that size of fish. So yeah, like what I'm saying, I prefer to stay in my camper van than staying in my apartment, the previous apartment. Yeah, and of course, I also like to have a house or a place that I can stay, but yeah, I don't want to spend so much money for a apartment. I don't know until when, but as of now, I like to stay in my camper van. I prefer to stay in my camper van. Oh, the fishing contest is actually still going on, but we're not going there anymore.